All the materials are ready to prepare 200 ml of low cost shampoo. In this vessel we are going to prepare. First I am charging RO water. Complete measurements I have given in PDF document. Then I am charging sodium citrate. Then this is citric acid. Both sodium citrate and citric acid are, we know very well, builders. Apart from that, to maintain the pH within the range of 5 to 6, we are adding these two materials. In shampoo formulation, the pH is very important quality parameter. Our skin, our scalp pH is 5 to 6. So we need to maintain the pH of shampoo within 5 to 6. Then only it is called as pH balanced shampoo. Here let us try to understand the combination of these two materials, sodium citrate and citric acid. Sodium citrate is a buffering material. It will maintain the pH within the range of 7 to 9. Again we are adding citric acid. It is acid, so it will reduce the pH to 5 to 6. So this combination, this system, the combination of sodium citrate and citric acid in particular measurements will maintain the pH of shampoo within 5 to 6. Even though it is a tricky method, it is a technical method, professional approach. Then I am charging SLES 28% gel. This is the primary surfactant. More or less worldwide in all the shampoos, it is the primary surfactant. Again, I am adding CAPB. This is co-surfactant. This combination SLES and CAPB will give superior cleaning along with rich and stable foaming. This is glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant as well as a moisturizer. Next, polyquaternium 7. It is a cationic polymer. It is a conditioner. It will improve the softness of the hair and also will facilitate the easy combing process. And one more thing, this material PQ7 is compatible in all types of surfactants. Compatible with the anionic surfactants, cationic surfactants, amidalic surfactants, and non-ionic surfactants. Next, I am charging sodium chloride. This is just to improve the consistency of the shampoo, to improve the thickness. Then I am charging perfume. Of course, I am charging jasmine. And then I am charging color. I am using orange color solution. I am charging very less amount, 3 or 4 drops. Then I am charging phenoxyethanol. This is preservative. That's all the process. Now I am mixing well. Let us allow to settle for 24 hours. Tomorrow we will see that. This is after 24 hours. The shampoo looks clear and transparent. Let us compare the shampoo with another shampoo purchased from Orchid. Of course, both the shampoos are looks like same, but both are not same formula, different formulas. So we can experience different performances. Just we can compare only physical appearance. That's all. Now let us recall our process. We have added two surfactants, SLES, CAPB. So it is for cleaning performance and rich stable foaming. Then we have added glycerin. It is a moisturizer. Then we have added PQ7. This is conditioner. We have added salt for consistency and perfume preservative color as well. More importantly, we have added two materials, sodium citrate, citric acid. These two materials will maintain the pH within the range of 5 to 6. In this formula, by changing the conditioners, we can get shampoo with different properties, different cleaning performance. We can use the combination of PQ10 and PEG12 as conditioners. This is the type of shampoo. Or we can use cetrimonium chloride as conditioner. This is the type of shampoo. Or if necessary, we can prepare pearlescent shampoo. I mean shampoo with glittering physical appearance just by using EGDS and PQ10. This combination will give shampoo like this. Let us check the pH of shampoos. For a shampoo, the pH is very important quality parameter. It must be within the range of 5 to 6. Then only it is called as pH balanced shampoo. In our all four shampoos and as well as purchased shampoo, all are having pH within 5 to 6. We have added salt for consistency and perfume, preservative, color as well. More importantly, we have added two materials, sodium citrate, citric acid. These two materials will maintain the pH within the range of 5 to 6. Even though it is low cost shampoo, we can expect good cleaning performance. The process is very simple. We are using simple materials. These are all the plus points. But minus point means since we are using SLES as primary surfactants, even though we are using the conditioners, we can feel little harshness